Bittensor may climb 2.5% by June 18, per CoinLore numbers. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. According to the latest chart, Bittensor has dropped 5.9% and is near $252.62. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Digital Coin Price estimates a price of $249.72 by tomorrow, nearly 1.1% beneath current levels. Coin data flow indicates Bittensor might approach $255.33, representing a gain of 1.1%. Coin price forecast points out the chance of reaching $257, a projected gain of 1.7%. A separate forecast released by CoinLore projects Bittensor may climb toward $258.97, about 2.5% up. And to end, CoinCodex sees the price reaching $259.64 by June 18, which is 2.8% higher. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. We've finished 5 projections. Let's keep moving. With forecasts in mind, let's explore what's behind each one. The gathered forecasts put the possible move between a drop of 1.1% and a rise of 2.8%. As a result, CoinCodex shows the highest projected return with 2.8% gain in value by tomorrow. After adding it all up, you could take in between $11 and $28 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, Digital Coin Price's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 98.2% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. Consensus modeling shows Bittensor trending upward by roughly 1.4%. Okay, let's open up the details. The consensus projection suggests an upward move of 1.4%. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 1.4%. With 1,000, the calculation could show about $14 added. So the odds of this consensus scenario for Bittensor being fulfilled are about 97.9%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. An upward drive is anticipated by Digital Coin Price. The projection from Coin Data Flow is that Bittensor will trade in a narrow band around current levels. Coin Price Forecast notes that Bittensor appears set to push higher. For the next few days, likewise CoinLore expects Bittensor to strengthen. A bearish stance is reflected in CoinCodex's forecast. The consensus view outlines Bittensor on a declining track over the next 3 days. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Bittensor will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. At the close, the price stood at $257.34. Just one forecast managed to align with how the market actually moved. Accuracy-wise, CoinDataFlow provided the tightest prediction. Now it's time to break it into parts. Only a single prediction stayed within yesterday's trading range. As far as ROI is concerned, CoinDataFlow was the lone analyst in profit at 0.1%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. Meanwhile, Traders Union recorded minus 4.3% ROI with $22.41 accuracy. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Let's see how the consensus base returns for tomorrow compare among Bittensor and a few other cryptocurrencies. Bittensor doesn't lead in this forecast as Kaspa stands highest with 2.5%. Here Bittensor is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. We'll stop here. Subscribe so you're ready for tomorrow's new forecasts. See you next time, guys.